Hi, welcome to the workshop. Today I want to highlight one of the key features that sets our professional Mirka DEXOS Dust Extractor apart, its brushless electric motor. Here is the motor. Unlike traditional motors that uses brushes to conduct electrical current, brushless motors operate more efficiently and with less wear and tear. One of the major benefits of a brushless motor is its durability. With no brushes to wear down over time, these motors have a much longer lifespan compared to their brush counterparts. This means fewer maintenance issues and less downtime for repairs, which is crucial if you're relying heavily on the machine and want to minimize interruptions. Another advantage of a brushless motor is its efficiency. Without the friction and heat generated by brushes, brushless motors waste less energy and run cooler, resulting in better overall performance. And let's not forget about power. Brushless motors are known for delivering consistent and reliable power output, even under heavy loads. This is especially important for a dust extractor where consistent suction power is needed to effectively remove dust and debris from our workpieces. Plus, brushless motors are typically quieter than brush motors, which is a nice bonus for reducing noise pollution in the workshop. It's all about delivering the best performance and maximum efficiency. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the Mirka DEXOS 1217, check out our website or contact your local Mirka representative. Have a good day. Bye.